In this video, you'll learn how to add an image to a table in Notion. By following these steps, you will effectively enhance your database with visual elements, making it more informative and engaging. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Notion website. Ensure that you are logged into your account. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection, as a stable connection is essential for smooth operation. Once you are logged in, locate the title page of the database where you wish to add an image. Click on the title to open it. This action will display the contents of your selected database, allowing you to proceed with the next steps. Next, type in the title of your page if it is not already set. After entering a title, navigate to the database section by clicking on the database link. This will take you to the relevant database interface where you can manage After accessing the database, find and click on the tasks tracker option. This will direct you to the specific tracker where you can manage tasks and their associated details, including images. Proceed by clicking on the continue button. This action will confirm your selection and allow you to move forward in adding images to your database. Once you have confirmed, click on the done option to finalize your previous selections. This will bring you back to the main interface of your database, ready for the next steps. Now, look for a slider and click on it to adjust its settings. This slider may control certain properties of your database, so ensure it is set to the appropriate configuration for your needs. Following that, click on the Add Property button to introduce a new property to your database. This property will be where you can upload your image. Next, select Files and Media from the property options. This choice will enable you to upload images directly into the database, enhancing your entries with visual content. After choosing Files and Media, click on the blank page option that appears. This will allow you to create a new entry for your image upload. Then click on Add a File or Image. This button will prompt you to select an image from your device to upload into the database. Once you have selected to add a file or image, click on the Embed Link option. This step allows you to embed images directly from a URL if needed. Now type in the URL of the image you want to embed. Ensure that the URL is valid and leads directly to an image file to avoid errors during the upload process. After entering the URL, click on the Embed Link button to finalize the link embedding. This action will integrate the image into your database entry. Next, click on the Upload option to begin selecting the image file from your computer. This step is crucial for incorporating your desired image into the Notion table. Once the Upload option is selected, click on Choose a File. This will open a file browser window where you can navigate to the location of your image. Finally, click on the blank space within the file browser to select the desired image file. Ensure that the image is of an appropriate size for quick uploading, as larger files may take longer depending on your internet speed. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.